So I have to get to that screw over there, which is all rusted. See if we could get into that. We could loosen that. And that is in a tight spot, blocked by this muffler here. It's blocked by this muffler and by this bracket. Here. Not sure if I can remove this bracket while it supports. So I think we'll try to remove this muffler. See if we can get this out. Yeah, let's see if we can take this one off. It's got this new plier. Yeah, so I should go this way. You can't even get in there. Well, you want to make sure. Yeah, this new tool you're gonna use. You gotta make sure you don't get hooked into this spot here. Don't put it behind the middle. You gotta put it under it or before it. And squeeze against this. Yep, with a tool it comes out a million times easier than with a hand. That was much easier than with a hand. Move the muffler away a little bit. Now we got a lot of space here. Now we can get into it. I can put my hands there. We'll take it off this screw and then we'll see what's going on with the thin pipe here. I think 3/8 is gonna do it. Now then we shouldn't strip. It's turning. It's turning. And we broke it. Amazing. So let's put this over here. Let's push it against it. Push the pipe. Okay. That out. Twist. Okay, we got this off. Let's see if we can find this leak now again. See exactly where it is. If it'll show up. Yeah, it's right on the bottom here. So you can see all the foam over there. Right there. That little leak. This is the Dorman A00671 for the high line pressure. My pipe measured 10 inches, so this is the 3/8 number 6 to 30 to 3/8 inch hose tube. So it comes with a tube. And 2 sets to each end of to hook it up. So let's see what we got. Got a washer. Got the O-ring, cord, washer, two of these to crimp this piece, just to guide us. And these. I gotta check if I even have such big. These are pretty big. This one fits. So this could hold it. Okay. Should be enough to hold it. Pretty thick over here. And let's see what we got. So my biggest in this toolbox is 11/16. That is too small. I gotta make sure I have another thing to tighten this down with. If not, you can't tighten. So at least this one could take a bigger one. You gotta find something that hold one of them. So I loosened this pipe. So hopefully this will cut it. Trying to go as much as to the end as I can. So there isn't too much to play with over here. Okay, so I think we should be able to twist this around. Yeah, we're doing a full circle. So this line is not under pressure. I'm cutting straight. Hope that's going to be enough space here. I mean, I don't have much what I could do. If that won't work, we'll have to see what option. Well, we'll make it work. I think we've got it straight now. Hope those grooves won't make any problems. And we've just got a hole if it's pretty thick. This pipe. Guess you guys can't see anything. That is sucking. That is tiny. Okay, where am I slicing it? Put on the middle handle here. Right in the middle. Okay, so this fits. This is a good fit. This is the right size. So that's good. We're on track. So I measured till here. So took off 2 times ½ inch. So I think this should be where it is. See, this will cut it. Yeah. Use a scissor. I think this is not so straight. Let's see. That will go like that, and this will go in here. It's AC oil. It's fine if we put extra. Okay. That's for that. I need the other side. It's a hot day today, FYI. You don't know. Okay. We'll test fit it in. Rough test fit. And we'll put it on. This is a plumbing tool. This we use for plumbing. So first do the one on the end of the hose. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna lubricate these. Whoa. This one. So we'll make sure these go in first. This goes in first, yeah. And then we'll put these in and the hose. Okay, then we'll put this one in, and then the hose. So that, like that. Okay, that's in there. Make sure you push it against the pipe. It shouldn't be in the air. And then that's it. Now we gotta tighten it down. It just needs to be tightened down now. Hopefully we can get our wrenches in there. $22 millimeters. So this is the finished product. Got one on this end, that end. For now I didn't see anything leaking, thank God. Hope it's gonna stay like that. Hope to God. And I will just fasten everything back up so it shouldn't be vibrate and scratch and rub and create new holes. Thanks for watching.